The Tulsi Cleanse Tea in the protocol helps to support the first organs of detoxification, the liver and the kidneys. Tulsi is an adaptogen, and it helps the body to adapt to stress, and Tulsi is found to remove pollutants and heavy metal toxins from the body. About the tea and the 6 tastes. In the ancient science of Ayurvedic medicine, which is about 5,000 to 7,000 years old, we learn how to make potent medicine using herbs. Here, I'll show you how to make some really potent medicine using the tea. So you take 2 tea bags and about 5 cups of fresh spring water. Let it boil for about 7 minutes and then let it cool to a drinking temperature. We drink about 2 to 3 cups of this during the entire process, appreciating the 6 tastes. Part of how we make food medicine is through a strategic balancing of the actual 6 tastes. In order to be healthy, we need to include each one of the 6 tastes in proper amounts in each meal. We can be unwittingly sabotaging our health. When we only favor sweet, sour, and the salty tastes, this increases the earth and the water elements in our body, which does what? It makes people gain weight. Now, the 6 tastes are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent or spicy, and astringent or drying. And we need a little bit of each of these tastes in each meal for it to be balanced. Now, I'm sharing this with you so that you can begin to create even more balance in your food choices, and because the bitter taste is actually used for cleansing purposes. And my Ayurveda teacher, Dr. Vasant Lad, he always says, bitter is better for the liver. Now this tea that we drink is earthy, a little bitter, astringent, and a little sweet at the end. See if you can detect all those different tastes, and try to include more of the bitter and astringent tastes in small amounts in your food choices during your cleansing process. As Ayurveda practitioners, we help to customize this per the individual to create the most nourishing food choices. Please let me know how you feel about this, and feel free to ask any questions below at the end of the video.